Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parambrahma, Tatme Sri Guruve Namaha. Vanakkam, Namaste. Welcome ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining Astro Sahadevan channel and this video. In today's Astro information, let us quickly understand in a comprehensive way all the 12 Rashis. Okay, while I have explained about 12 Bhavakas starting from Lagna, here we are going to see all the 12 Rashis starting from Mesha to Meena and lots of those Rashi and a little information about the nature of the Rashis. In fact, we also categorize all the 12 Rashis into on certain basis. So based on one nature, Rashis are bifurcated into three aspects, that is shara, stira and upaya. Shara Rashi means moving Rashis, being active, vibrant kind of stuff. Stira Rashi is stationary and not that vibrant. And upaya Rashi is a combination of both, mixed. So this is one based on certain nature. And of course, shara Rashi is termed to be a very powerful Rashi, followed by stira, and upaya is the combination. And based on Panchabhuta, also we do categorize Rashis into 4. Even though Panchabhuta is 5, one element Akash we are not taking because all the planets are there in the space, so Akash is not taken care. Whereas the other 4 elements of Panchabhuta, what are they? Number 1 is fire, Agni. Then Bhumi, that is called the earth or the land Rashi. So fire Rashi, land Rashi, then air, Vayu Rashi. And the 4th one is, you can say, that is Jal Rashi, that is water Rashi. So on this category also we segregate all the 12 Rashis. 3 Rashis will come under each category. So let's take the Kalpurush first Rashi, Mesha. Mesha Rashi, that is Aries, and a lot of that Rashi is Mangal. And Mesha is one of the Shara Rashi and basically a vibrant Rashi. And of course, it also is one of the, other category it is Agni Rashi. So Mesha Rashi basically vibrant and ferocious because the Lord, the Rashi also reflects the nature of the Lord, that is Mangal. So very aggressive, ferocious, referring to kind of sports, medical, and even the nature of fighting, arguing, being very active, all those categories. Okay. And coming to the second word, that is Rishabh Rashi, that is Taurus. So Rishabha is a stira Rashi, okay, and the Lord of Rishabha is Shukra, and it is kind of we can say it's a land Rashi, earth land Rashi. So Rishabha Rashi being Shukra's Rashi, it's very attractive, sexy, love filled, and of course soft and beauty oriented and attraction oriented kind of Rashi. And definitely this is one of the auspicious house because the Lord is auspicious Lord, natural auspicious Lord, whereas for Mesha the Mars is a natural inauspicious Lord. Okay, it talks about all basically most of the good things, especially love and relationships. Okay, coming to another third Rashi, that is Mithuna Rashi. Okay, that is Gemini. The Lord of this house or the Rashi is Mercury, Buddha. Okay, this is, I would even say it's a air Rashi, Vayu Rashi. Okay, and this talks about intelligence and wisdom, knowledge, everything, because Buddha, Mercury is meant for all these things. Okay, and coming to the 4th Rashi, that is Karka Rashi. That is, we call it as Cancer, which is a Jal Rashi. Okay, Karka Rashi, the Lord is Chanda, is mercy, love, affection. Karka Rashi normally refers to mother. So the people beat Rashi. Here I mean the nature, if you see, you have to connect the Lagna also. Okay, and everything we commonly call as Rashi. In a particular birth chart where Chandra is there, that is your Rashi, and where sun rising point happens, that is your Lagna. So as a Cancer as a Rashi, it's a very definitely auspicious and power-filled, love and mercy-filled, because mother loves everybody. So for Chandra, for Mesha Rashi, for Karka Rashi, all planets, it is acceptable place to sit with. Okay, and definitely it's a very Sadhvik Rashi. Then comes to Leo, that is Simha Rashi. So the cycle of what we told, fire, then land, Vayu and water. The same cycle starts from Simha once again. Simha is again it's a fire Rashi, and obviously the Simha Lord is Surya, ferocious and very leadership oriented and kind of power filled Rashi, authority filled Rashi, and that is again it's a stira Rashi. It's a stationary and fixed, and it also the Rashi in general, the Simha Rashi refers to father, because the planet is Surya, who is the Karaka for father. Same way in the previous Rashi, Karaka Rashi, it refers to mother. Coming to the next Rashi, that is Kanya. That is again the Lord of the Kanya is Buddha, Mercury. It's a wisdom, knowledge and education knowledge filled Rashi, and astrology, astronomy. Okay, and definitely a very sensitive Rashi. And in Kanya Rashi, Buddha gets exalted. Okay, and Buddha is again, comparing to the other category, it is upaya Rashi. That is, it's a mix of shara and stira Rashi. Okay, and then coming to Tula. Tula, the Lord is Shukra, similar to Rishabha, and Tula is basically called love Rashi, and of course business Rashi. Shukra's both the house, Rishabha and Tula, referred as love Rashi, love, affection, relationship kind of Rashis, referring to opposite sex. And Tula also additionally refers to business minded kind of people, those who belong to Tula Rashi, Tula Lagna. Okay, and that is as another category, it's a air, Vayu Rashi. Okay, and definitely it's a very good Rashi and no sentiments. Okay, goes by the facts and figures. Okay, and the next coming to Vrikshika. Vrikshika again is a Rashi of Mangal, that is Mars, is a water Rashi. Okay, Jal Rashi. And which also refers to the characteristics of Mars and the business like medical, sports, and also uniform services like military, police kind of stuff. Okay, and another ferocious Rashi. However, Vriksha from Kala Purush, it is 8th house Rashi. So that refers to kind of endurance, death, all those aspects it refers to. Okay, and coming to next to Vrikshika, it is Dhanush. It is Guru Rashi and one of the fantastic Rashi, most auspicious and kind of divine filled Rashi. And the people of that Rashi normally of very magnanimous, very good mentality, magnanimous and helpful and pious, all those categories we can say. It is Agni Rashi. And that is also another upaya Rashi. All the 4 corners of the 12 houses are called upaya Rashi. Okay. And definitely it's a very good Rashi, and Guru is the lord of that. Then comes Makara, Capricorn. It's a Shanish Rashi, basically slow, sluggish kind of stuff. Still, Makara Rashi is a shara Rashi, that is vibrant, moving Rashi. So, Shani is the lord of Makara, of course the next Rashi, Kumbha, both. Among these two, Makara Rashi is fairly better active, more active than Kumbha Rashi. Okay, and hard work, physically able to work a lot. Okay, and able to prefer to work under somebody. Okay, whereas Surya, if you take, is a category of being a ownership kind of stuff or boss kind of stuff. Makara Kumbha refers to kind of people referred as subordinates, and they are ready to take up the laborious related work. So Makara, being a shara Rashi, is fairly a vibrant and better among the two Shani Rashis. Then comes Kumbha Rashi. It's one of the most kind of sluggishness, we can say, slow and steady kind of Rashi. Obviously, the Lord is Shani, similar to Makara. Kumbha is again a Vayu Rashi. Okay, and Kumbha, Shani, and that these two, the Rashi, Kumbha Rashi and Shani, happens to be auspicious along with Lagna Lord. Then the person is into kind of aeronautical related, pilot related, and so many other things related to air. Okay, and it depends on the nature of the Rashi, the business and the profession also getting attached to. Okay, and of course the Kumbha Rashi, as I told, slow and sluggish, and also kind of seeing others and getting jealous kind of nature it happens. If Shani is very auspicious and the Lagna is auspicious, then the nature changes. Then comes to the 12th house of called Purush, that is Meena Rashi. Again, that is Guru's Rashi. It is fairly an auspicious Rashi, and that also with good kind of quality and helping, guiding nature, everything. And that Rashi is again a water Rashi. Okay, being the 12th house of Rashi, that Rashi refers to, for called Purush is the 12th house, refers to export, import, ocean kind of stuff. So these are the four categories of these Vayu, Jal, Agni and Bhumi kind of Rashis, and Shara, Stira and Upaya Rashis and the Lords. We have quickly covered this nature, so that when we speak about more about the planets and the benefits of the Mahadasha and the nature of your Lagna, everything, we can understand the nature of these planets connected to the categories of the Rashi, and able to kind of get an idea about the astrology concepts going forward. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining this video, giving a quick overview of Rashi, Lord and the nature of the Rashis. Okay, and let us catch up with one more video shortly. And thanks for joining this video, and kindly like and share this video. Subscribe to Astro Savadevan channel, and you can get predictions on Vedic astrology in the languages of Tamil, English, Hindi and Kannada. So let us meet in the next video. Till then, have a nice time. God bless and cheers.